Hi guys, it's Mekamika here. So today I'm going to show you how to make it or to cook anchovies. So this is our ingredients for today. So I'm going to show you all ingredients. This is our ingredients. This is ingredients. Oh, this is our ingredients. We have here carrot on lemon. Um, Yellow is like pepper, is yellow pepper, how you can say green pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, onion, and we have turmeric, chili powder, garlic is fresh, and also ginger fresh, and we have cooking oil and tomato fresh. Everything is fresh, how you can say, yeah. And we have our anchovies here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you separate because I put them in the warm water because I need them to clean them. Before you cook them, you need to clean them. I want to tell you that this is very important. I don't know, but it's my way. You can do too, or wherever you can do. But I want to tell you that it's a good way to do that. So I'm going to show you how to wash them or how to do it. I'm going to show you the other step. The other ingredients is anchovies. You can see them here. I already put in the warm water here. Yeah. I put it the warm water, from the the fountain, So I'm going to wash them now. You see them, because you never know when you take them from the shop. They have little bitty, little. It's like they can have little sand, and rock. You never know. You need to wash them. You repeat and you repeat. You see, I have like two dishes here. You do like that. You repeat them like many times. I do this, and I open the water the other side again. It's like you're repeating to wash them. So this is how you're supposed to do. When you finish it, that is, you're going to cook them. Okay? So I'm going to show you next step. Okay, now you can see they're very clean. You can do this cleaning them like 3 times, 4 times, to make sure very clean. Sometimes, when you take them from packet, you never know. Sometimes they have sand, sometimes they don't have. But in order to make sure you don't count when you eat, you don't count with sand or rock. Clean it before you cook. Okay? I'm going to do another step. First, put the oil. This oil, it depends how anchovies is, or how many anchovies, or how pound you have, So here, because you need to make sure you have enough oil. Don't make it like, because if you have like little oil, the way I'm going to cook it can be nice one, or it can be good one, or it can taste good, So you need to have enough one, because I have a lot of ingredients here, a lot of ingredients, and I'm going to fry so like 2 steps. Fry them. After fried them, then I put side. Then after that, I'm going to fry the all, to saute all ingredients. Then it's like because if you don't put too much, if you don't put enough one, they're going to stick, Yeah. So I already switch on cooker, high medium. High medium. Yeah. I wait a little bit to make sure. Yeah, it's better. So I'm going to put them, fry them. I fried them first. I fried them. Need to cook them like complete, okay? No complete, but because you're going to do the second step, okay? But when you do this, you're going to use lemon and salty. Lemon and only salty, okay? Lemon and salty. Maybe you can use a little bit of garlic. That is a little bit of garlic and lemon and salt, okay? So that is first step. So you fried them, you salted them with lemon little bit salty, and the little bit of garlic. That is okay. Then when they're ready, put side. You want to start another step again. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, now the anchovies is ready for sauteed, you know. So I already sorted them, and I already separate them, take them from the pan. I put side. So I'm going to add the other ingredients, you know. So I'm going to start it. I'm going to use the same, you see, the same oil I using to saute them, the anchovies, you know. So I'm going to I'm starting with onion. I'm going to saute all this, but I start with onion. I start with onion. After I'm going to saute the onion up to maybe 5 seconds or maybe 1 minute, whatever second. Yeah, 1 minute. Then I'm going to add garlic and ginger. Then I'm going to add carrot. After carrot, I'm going to add tomato. Then turmeric and chili. Then the last is going to be this green pepper, all green pepper. When I finish to add it all, I'm going to show you final. But the final, I'm going to add it to the anchovies when I finish to add all of them. Okay? Okay. But I think you understand. Maybe I can repeat again. After sauteed the onion for 1 minute, I'm going to add garlic and ginger. Then carrot, tomato, turmeric and chill. The last green pepper. Then the final will be the anchovies. That is okay. We're going to show you when it's going to be final and ready. They come together. Okay, anchovies is ready. I put it all together. Okay, so I'm going to serve it. Like rice, we have this kind of like cassava and yeah, so they put like that, but you can eat with anything. With bread too is good. Okay, so enjoy it, you guys. So I'll see you next time. Please remember to subscribe to me and leave comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.